Hello YouTube. Scientists told how it is better for spouses to sleep together or separately. If you ask married men how they sleep better, together or apart, you can get a variety of answers. Most will say that it is more pleasant to sleep together, but there will be opposite opinions. Some will talk about girls snoring, about taking away a blanket, or even about those that spread all over the bed. Women will probably have many more such stories. But these are all special cases, and only scientists know the true state of affairs. The American Academy of Sleep Medicine, AASM, studied co-sleeping and shared sleep and made an important announcement. Scientists have found that those who sleep with their soulmate sleep better and are even mentally healthier. To get answers to their questions, the researchers interviewed 1,007 adult residents of Pennsylvania. The questions were not only about sleeping in the same bed with a partner. Psychologists were interested in whether respondents like it when children or pets come to their bed. The quality of sleep was assessed by a number of parameters, including the degree of insomnia, duration, apnea rate, and others. It turned out that people who slept with a partner almost never complain of insomnia. Their sleep was sound, they rarely suffered from sleep apnea and generally woke up rested. Those to whom a child, a cat or a dog came to bed, on the contrary, slept worse and complained of apnea. Also dissatisfied with the quality of sleep were those who got a restless partner. If a bedmate tosses and turns, talks in his sleep or snores, then such a dream cannot be called a good rest. Those who slept alone described their condition in approximately the same way. They more often than others could not fall asleep, experienced problems with breathing, and in the morning got up broken. Therefore, it was concluded that it is better to sleep together. But only if you choose the right partner. A good night's sleep reduces anxiety and reduces the risk of depression. And those who like to sleep in splendid isolation or have not acquired a life partner are much more likely to suffer from a bad mood. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.